If you're a noodle lover, today's video is going to be a treat. We are making not one, but two incredibly flavorful noodle dishes that are packed with bold Asian flavors. First up, we'll make Thai Drunken Noodles, which is smoky, spicy, saucy, and loaded with fresh vegetables. We'll start by preparing the sauce because that's where all the flavor comes from. So you take all the ingredients required for the sauce and add them to a bowl. Give everything a good mix until fully combined and smooth. Now place a pan, add some oil. Now once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions, garlic and chilies. Saute everything until the onions turn soft and translucent and the garlic becomes beautifully fragrant. This step creates the flavor base of your noodles. Next, add the peppers and spring onions. Increase the heat and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Cooking on high heat helps the vegetables stay vibrant, slightly crisp and full of flavor. Now it's time for the star ingredient. Add the boiled rice noodles directly into the pan, followed by the prepared sauce. Make sure the noodles are evenly coated so every strand absorbs all those delicious flavors. Now, using tongs or a spatula, toast everything together really well. Cook for another 2 minutes on high heat while continuously mixing. You'll notice the noodles soaking up the sauce and taking on a beautiful glossy finish. Now to finish, sprinkle over some freshly chopped spring onions. Give everything one final toss and your Thai drunken noodles are ready. Now let's move to a street food favorite, Maggi Goreng. Start by placing a pot of water over high heat and bring it to a rolling boil. Now, while the water is heating up, prepare the Maggi Goreng sauce. Add all the sauce ingredients to a bowl and mix thoroughly until well combined. Now set the sauce aside for later. Once the water is boiling, add the noodles and cook them for about 2 minutes. Drain the noodles and rinse them under cold or room temperature water. Allow them to sit in the water for a few minutes while we prepare the rest of the dish. This helps prevent overcooking and keeps the noodles nice and springy. Now heat some oil in a wok over high heat. Add the onions and garlic and stir fry until they become translucent and fragrant. Now drain the noodles completely and add them directly into the wok. Now keep the heat high and quickly toast them together with the onions and garlic. Now add the red chili powder and the Maggi seasoning packets. Toast everything thoroughly to distribute the seasonings evenly throughout the noodles. Now in a separate non-stick pan, heat a little oil over medium heat. We'll use this pan to create the perfect crispy fried egg that traditionally tops a plate of Maggi Goreng. Now back to the noodles, pour in the prepared Maggi Goreng sauce and toast everything together over high heat. Now mix well until every noodle is coated and glossy. Allow the sauce to caramelize slightly for maximum flavor. Now transfer the noodles onto a serving plate. Arrange some fresh cucumber slices on the side and add a small dollop of ketchup. Place the crispy fried egg right on top of the noodles. And that's it. So there you have it, two amazing noodle recipes that are easy to make and packed with bold flavors. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.